Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Kesley. It's so nice to meet you. It's so nice to have you here. As you guys read by the title, I will be showing you guys different ways to style your boho braids. And so if you are interested, definitely keep on watching.
Won't say a thing about the way you look at me. I like the way, I love the way you touch me.
Do it up, then I drop it till you make it faces and look like you wanna tell me stop it. I'ma do it till you can't take no more. Till my lipstick pink up on my face no more. I'ma do it on the bed, on the floor, on the couch, on the lips and make it to my mouth. Just because I can't kiss it back doesn't mean you can't kiss that. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. And rock right up to the side of my mountain. Climb until you reach my peak, babe, peak, babe, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, babe, deep, babe, deep. Then dip me underway and feel my river flow and flow. Hold me till I scream, forget to breathe. Contagious, what's the latest? Speak your heart, don't bite your tongue. Don't get it twisted, don't misuse it. What's your problem? Let's resolve. We can solve it. What's the cause? It's official. You got issues, I got issues, but I know I miss you. Yeah. Who should be hurt? Who should be blamed? Am I supposed to change? Are you supposed to change? Who should be hurt? Who should be shamed? Am I supposed to change?
So you've made it towards the ending of the video. You guys, I haven't made a hairstyling video like this in like 3 years. Like, oh my goodness, I enjoyed making this video. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about these styles. I feel like these styles were okay. I love these styles. I love how these styles turned out on this hairstyle. I'm excited to continue to create more. While I was creating this video, it just brought me back to like where I used to be, and I literally enjoyed like making those videos. Like, I truly enjoyed like just being creative. The biggest tip out of this whole video is to definitely purchase some accessories. Okay, I got these butterflies from Marshall's. Definitely check out Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Ross, because they be having some very beautiful butterfly clips, and just also different clips that you can like accessorize your hair with, whether it's your natural hair, braids, twists, whatever. And then of course you can never go wrong for hairstyle accessories. You can either purchase these accessories from your local hair store, or you can order it from Amazon. Most of these accessories was purchased from my local beauty supply store because it's very close to my apartment. Definitely accessorize your hair to just make it pop. You know, this is so beautiful. Y'all comment down below your favorite hairstyle. This is my favorite hairstyle. It's just so cute. It's so girly. Anybody could recreate this hairstyle, whether you're in middle school, high school, or even college. Like, this is such a beautiful hairstyle. This is my favorite. Y'all comment down below your favorite. But if you truly enjoyed watching this video, thank you so much. Do me a favor and give this video a like, comment, and also subscribe if you are new. Basically, if you are new here and you don't know anything about me, I'm Tesla Knox. It's so nice to meet you. It's so nice to have you here. I'm a natural hair influencer, and I create natural hair and faith-based videos, sometimes lifestyle, depends on what y'all feeling, but for the most part I try to just stick to Jesus and natural hair. But if you want to see more, definitely let a girl know, and I'll be willing to just show myself outside of me doing my hair and just talking about God and my sit down videos, but actually just showing you guys the lifestyle, which is just a simple everyday normal routine. So other than that, I don't want to make this outro too long. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you. God loves you. Know that you are encouraged. Stay encouraged. Be encouraged. You have everything that you need, and everything that you need is already down on the inside of you as a child of the Lord. In Jesus' mighty name, I'll see you in next